Hello, and thanks for hanging out with me for this Journal with Me session. And I do apologize for my voice today. I have a cold, but I still wanted to put up this video, so I hope it'll be okay. So for this session, I went through my previous entries in this traveler's notebook, and I was looking at which ones I actually enjoyed the most, and turns out that it's actually the ones that are more like retro, and so I wanted to do another one in this style. So I was just going through some papers that I had, and I took some that I had tea steined months ago, and I really like this floral pattern, so I wanted to add that, and then just try to find some other pieces that went with it. And then I went through my fabric scraps, and I wanted to add some fabric to this piece because I really enjoy those pages that have the fabric. So I just try to make a cluster, and rather than sewing them together, I just end up gluing them and then attaching them with a paper clip. So in order to spare you with my horrible voice today, I'm gonna make just a intro, and then I'll let you just watch the rest. And I wanted to just let you know that the journaling I have for this page was inspired by the quote that you'll see me adding on a bit later, and it's about making old things new. And so I've been confronted with a dilemma since a while, that I really want to declutter my flat, but at the same time, of course, dealing with junk journals and making junk journals and making entries in journals. Of course, you collect things, so that is kind of a challenge for me. Has been a challenge for me the past few months now. I don't know if any of you have the same challenge. If you do, I'd love to hear how you deal with it. But for me, it's an issue because I have been really good at decluttering, but the art supplies is really difficult. Like, I have managed to give some away that I know, I'm not going to use, but a lot of things I do think I'm going to use, and I do use my stuff, but it's just a lot, and it doesn't really work with my decluttering. So yeah, any tips that you might have, I'd be very grateful for. So I will leave it for now, and just enjoy watching the rest or journal along with me. So have a wonderful day. Thank you.